So welcome back guys, and today in this video we are learning Python instance. So class is the blueprint for creating objects, but instead is the object created from the class. Let's see. Class cat definitionalize self name food, self.name is name and self.food is food. Let's make a function for feed. Now this is a blueprint, but this is the instance of it. Now let's create kitty and the food being biryani. And now let's define cat dot feed. Now it will feed the cat your kitty eat biryani. So each instance have different values but follows the same structure. Like cat1 dot name has the same name, so it's kitty. And that is it. Subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this.